If you are 5 foot or under, there is a good chance your outfits are not the problem. It is the missing details. Because some women can wear the most basic outfit and still look expensive, tall, and effortlessly styled, and it usually comes down to one thing: accessories. In this video, I am showing you 8 accessories that instantly upgrade petite proportions, fix styling mistakes you did not even know you were making, and make every outfit look intentional. And trust me, number 6 completely changed how I style myself every day. Stay till the end because this gets better with every point. Number 1. The slim belt that defines everything. Slim belt is one of the most powerful styling tools a petite woman has, and most of us either skip it or wear it in the wrong position. For petites, a belt does one specific thing. It shows your waist. When your waist is visible, your body reads as proportioned. Your legs look longer because the visual division between your torso and legs is happening at the right place. Your natural waist just above your belly button. When that waist is hidden under untucked fabric, the division drops to your hip and your legs look short. Keep the belt slim, no wider than an inch. A thick belt adds bulk and shortens your torso. A slim belt in tan, cognac, cream, or black creates definition without overwhelming your frame and keeps that long vertical line intact from shoulder to floor. Try it over a blazer, through high-waisted trousers, or tied over a midi dress. Number 2. A structured woven or raffia bag in a neutral tone. A large, slouchy bag on a petite frame overwhelms your proportions completely. It creates a heavy mass at your hip that makes you look shorter. A structured woven or raffia bag in a medium size holds its shape, sits cleanly against your body, and adds visual warmth without competing with your outfit. The natural tan and honey tones work with almost everything: white, cream, navy, olive, terracotta. You do not have to think about whether it matches. Simply does. Pair it with a linen cord, a midi dress, or high-waisted jeans and a fitted top. Hey, quick pause. If these accessories are already changing how you think about styling your outfits, please hit subscribe right now. Number 3. Kitten heel or wedge mules that work with everything. If you love the idea of looking taller but struggle with heels, kitten heel and wedge mules are the answer. Even just 2 or 3 centimeters of lift changes your proportions in a genuinely noticeable way. Your legs look longer, your posture lifts, your silhouette elongates. The mule silhouette specifically exposes the top of your foot, which reads as a visual extension of your leg. A closed shoe stops the eye at the toe. A mule lets it continue past your ankle and down to your visible foot, adding perceived leg length without any extra effort. In tan, nude, cream, or warm gold, mules pair with almost everything in your wardrobe. Number 4. A long pendant necklace that creates vertical length. A long pendant necklace creates a vertical line right down the center of your chest. Vertical lines direct the eye up and down the length of your body, which reads as tall and lean. Short, chunky necklaces sit close to the collarbone and create a horizontal band that cuts your upper body and shortens your torso. A long pendant does the opposite. It elongates and draws attention toward your face. In gold, it works with virtually every color in your wardrobe and looks polished with a linen blouse, a fitted top, or a wrap dress. One necklace. Instant height. Number 5. A silk scarf styled 7 different ways. One silk scarf gives you 7 completely different looks. And for petite women, almost every styling method creates a vertical line or draws the eye upward. Tied loosely around your neck, it falls vertically down your chest and creates an elongating center line. Wrapped around a ponytail or bun, it draws the eye upward toward your face. Knotted on your bag handle, it adds personality without touching your proportions. Threaded through belt loops as a belt, it creates waist definition with a pop of color. Worn as a headband, it adds visual height. Tied around your wrist, it becomes an unexpected bracelet. Draped over your shoulders, it adds coverage without bulk. One scarf in a color that works with your wardrobe. $15. 7 outfits. Hey, quick pause. If these accessories are already changing how you think about styling your outfits, please hit subscribe right now. Number 6. The game changer. The right sunglasses for your face shape. Most petite women are wearing a frame shape that is quietly working against their face. And once you understand this, you will never buy sunglasses the same way again. The right pair frames your face, adds visual structure, and gives every outfit a polished, finished quality that is almost impossible to achieve without them. For round faces, a cat eye frame adds definition and lift, creating a lengthening effect. For square faces, a soft oval or round frame softens stronger angles. For heart-shaped faces, a gentle aviator or rounded frame balances a wider forehead with a narrower chin. Frame size matters enormously. Oversized frames that extend past your temples create the same problem as an oversized bag. The accessory wears you. Choose a frame that sits proportionally within your face. Proportionate sunglasses make your face look larger and more defined. Oversized ones make your face look smaller and your whole frame look shorter. In tortoiseshell, warm gold, or classic black, the right pair finishes any outfit in a way nothing else replicates. Number 7. A delicate watch that adds quiet polish. A beautiful watch is one of the most underrated accessories in a petite woman's wardrobe. And the reason it works so specifically for short frames comes down to proportion and placement. A large, chunky, sporty watch on a petite wrist looks out of scale in exactly the same way that an oversized bag looks out of scale on a short frame. It overwhelms the smallest, most delicate part of your arm and draws attention to the size contrast, rather than enhancing your overall look. A small, delicate watch face, a classic round face, a slim oval, or a vintage-inspired rectangle, sits proportionally on a petite wrist and adds a quiet note of sophistication. Without demanding attention, it complements your outfit rather than competing with it. And it transitions seamlessly from a casual summer look to a more polished evening outfit without you needing to change anything. Gold tones add warmth and work beautifully against summer neutrals: cream, white, tan, olive. Silver tones feel clean and crisp and pair particularly well with navy, gray, and cool-toned palettes. Choose the metal that works with most of your existing jewelry, so everything looks cohesive. One delicate watch that you reach for every day is worth far more than a collection of chunky pieces that never quite look right. Number 8. A pointed toe flat that does everything a heel does. Last accessory, and this one is specifically for every petite woman who loves the idea of looking taller but does not always want to wear a heel. A pointed toe flat is one of the most quietly powerful accessories for short women because of one specific visual trick. The pointed toe visually extends the length of your foot forward. And when your foot appears longer, your leg appears longer by extension. The eye follows the line from your ankle down to the tip of that pointed toe and reads the entire thing as leg length. A round toe or square toe flat stops the eye abruptly. A pointed toe lets it keep traveling. In nude, tan, or a color close to your skin tone, a pointed toe flat becomes almost invisible against your leg, meaning the shoe blurs into your skin and your leg appears to go on and on without any visual interruption at the foot. This is the flat shoe equivalent of a nude heel, and it is one of the most reliable height tricks a petite woman can use. Pointed toe flats in a classic ballet or loafer silhouette work with high-waisted jeans, wide-leg trousers, midi skirts, tailored shorts, and casual dresses. They are the flat shoe that genuinely replaces a heel in terms of its visual impact on your leg length, without a single centimeter of actual height. And those are 8 accessories that work harder for petite women than anything else in your wardrobe. From the slim belt that defines your waist to the pointed toe flat that adds visual leg length without a single heel. The right accessories make an enormous difference in how tall, polished, and put together you look every single day. Give this video a thumbs up, drop your favorite accessory in the comments, and subscribe for weekly petite styling tips. See you in the next one.